This is actually some strong stuff. Woody Kids TV, and today I got this big jug of Elmer School Glue. And when you see this, you know what time it is. It's time to make some slime, but not any type of slime. We making, you see the red top, peanut butter slime. I got some Jiffy here, got some glue, baking soda. We're gonna mix it up, make some peanut butter slime. Let's see how it goes. All right. Open up my peanut butter. What the look at that. Ain't nobody do that but little girl. Look at it. Little girl be up at like 3 o'clock in the morning, right? I be asleep, her mother be asleep. So she says, you know what? I'm gonna make myself some food. And often when I come in, I see peanut butter on the floor and stuff like that. So she make her own sandwiches and she makes a mess. So, and it looks kind of watery. Look. Really, little girl? You messed up a fine thing of peanut butter. Where's little girl you at? She's on vacation right now. She took a trip with her mother to see her grandmother. So it's just me. So I'm going to have to use this bootleg peanut butter. I don't know how long it's been there. Okay, expiration date, October 2018. All peanut butter got jelly in there. But come on, let's just skip to the vid. Alright, so the first ingredient, okay, this looks fun, is some glue. Yeah. Add some glue in there. Woo! Woo! Alright, got my glue in there. A little mess. Let's get slimy. Then some peanut butter. I'm not sure the exact measurements, but we're gonna, yeah, just get right in there, you peanut butter. Just add some more. Oh my. That might be enough. Come on! This peanut butter don't want to come off the spoon! Alright, give it a little mixy. I don't have my cameraman with me today. Alright, so. Ew, it smells like peanut butter and glue, which it is. So, keep mixing. Yeah, it does start to smell. But I don't want to put this spoon back in my peanut butter. So I'm going to have to get another spoon for the peanut butter. Where's my plastic utensils? Here they are. Ow! My toe! God! Ow! Ouch! So I'm going to use this. Ow! It's not coming out that good. Whatever. Yeah. Come on. Keep going. More and more. This looks like it could be enough. Not sure. Starting to look kind of tasty. So, I might taste it. What the heck? Alright, put that to the side. Let's get the mixing. Mixing. Mix it all up. Mix it all up. Yeah, good texture. Now I'm gonna add some baking soda. Ew. Get the mixing, mixing, mixing. Yeah. Be back. All right, so I actually did it over. Instead of the baking soda, I use Borax detergent booster, which acts as an activator. Well, the problem was I was kept adding more glue, and I kept adding more baking soda, and more glue, more baking soda, until I overdid it. So I decided to do it over. But the same thing, use peanut butter, glue, Borax. That's why I made it look smaller, but it works actually a lot better. Use Borax instead of the baking soda once again, and just mix it up, and this is what you get. Peanut butter slime. Trying to angle this camera. Come here. I didn't know the measurements, but this works a lot better. You still see the jelly inside. Stretchy, stretchy, stretchy. Since I got my peanut butter, I might as well add some jelly and make a sandwich. Alright, what the heck. So, this one. Got me some bread. That's how I make a sandwich, guys. Open this bread up. I don't want to touch the rest of it. Got my bread. Let's add some of our peanut butter slime. Woo! This is going to be a tasty sandwich. Spread it on the bread. Make it a nice little lather. I was in Walmart and I was Googling slime ingredients, and that's where I came across Borax, and it was sitting right in front of me, so I just grabbed it. Looks nice. Now let's add some jelly. Oh, sorry. Ah. Add some jelly from the fridge. Always get stuck at the back. Nice little jelly. So y'all know I won't do no camera editing and switching. This is my peanut butter. Yeah, my bread. Got that on my jet. Got the jelly. Ew, jelly, jelly, jelly. Regular jelly with my slime peanut butter. On a sandwich. I'm gonna cut it in half. Or try to. The knife from Jason. Yeah, stupid holder. All right. Okay, got my jelly. Let's grab the bigger piece, shall we? Looks so yummy.